Pych Waterfalls is situated in the Rhondda Valley in South Wales. I've only just recently discovered this absolutely stunning place, and now we only live a 20-minute drive away. I couldn't wait to explore there. The route I was planning on doing is roughly 6 miles, and the path up to the waterfalls is quite steep and muddy, so do come prepared. The walk passes through dense forests and has breathtaking views overlooking the valley, including the old colliery and disused railway tunnel that carried coal to the Avon Valley.
Sue, your poo stinks. That's all I can smell in my bag is your poo. Take 2 of our walk to Pen Pych.
Sounds like shit.
As we're walking, all I can smell is Sue's poo in my bag, and it really stinks. We've come back 2 months later. I'm a stone lighter, so I'm hoping this is a lot easier. And the weather's a bit nicer, although it's still a bit boggy. We're actually going to try and go the right way now. So we took the wrong direction last time, so we've actually got a map. We've actually got a route set out on the phone this time. So yeah, should be nice. So we're going right by here. We went left last time, so we'll try something different. Do you want to check, just in case? No? Can you adamant we're going the right way? Okay. Okay. It definitely feels like snow. Ah, falls to the right. Oh, look at that view. Ooh. Rob, there's some stone. We need a dry stone wall.
Can I have a big pickup truck and a fucking massive trailer?
Yes.
You could drive up here at night and steal the... No.
No, we're not stealing
We're not
stone.
stealing- No.
Oh, it's definitely snow.
Yeah.
Oh wow! You can't see it on the camera. I just fell in a bog and I got water in my foot. I will power on through.
I'm a bloke.
It's fine. I'm sure my feet will dry. Look at that view. I just fell on my bum. Well, more on my side. Hey! Kiss me. Kiss me.
What is this?
For the camera. Oh, I'm gonna slip, aren't I? Oh, oh, Sue. Sue slipped. Oh, bless. Is it really slippery? Solid. Oh, hang on. We've just come back from the pool. We just wanted to see what it was like, really, and I definitely want to go back there when it's a bit warmer. It was absolutely freezing. So yeah, we've come back on ourselves and we're heading up this way. Oh, look at this! Wow! What is that? That looks like something steel in there. Is that a tree? Oh, that's really creepy. Susie doesn't like the bridge. Come on, Sue. She wants to try and find another place to jump. Oh, she'll always find a way. There we go. Good girl. It is rather potent, and every time the wind blows all I can smell is poo, and everyone will think I've pooed myself. Have I? Oh fuck. I've lost my bearings, but we were over there.
How would you know if you'd lost them?
Yeah. See, I came prepared. Well, that's a shame. That's disgusting. Stolen, burnt out car, maybe. Okay, so the walk pretty much ends here. And all the way back to the car park now. On the road. Yay.
Wait. Good girl. Who've you been? Who've you been?
Oh yeah, do you want to take it out of my bag?
No, it stinks.
This fucking stink. No, don't. No, I don't want to be one of those. Oh.
Bag explodes as you squeeze it in. I'm laughing. Brown toothpaste all up your wrist. That's pretty hard.
That's very pretty, huh? We've come back because I wanted to try the other path because there's some little fairy pools somewhere and I don't know where they are.